everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is going to be the unboxing and try on of our October 2019 Boxycharm. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and jump right in. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, this is a monthly subscription service where you receive 5 products full size in your subscription box every single month. Now they are making some changes, but we'll talk about that a little bit later in the video. I just kind of want to discuss what is in this month's Boxycharm. By the way, you guys always ask the weight size as well as the variation. So what I see on mine, it's weight wise, it says 0.85 pounds, so under a pound, and then variation is variation 18. Now on the back, we'll discuss this a little bit later in the video, but this is some changes that Boxycharm is making for the better, so we love that. And on the inside, it tells you what you received and how much each product is worth. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So let's start off with talking about our eyeshadow palette. You guys told me right off the bat in one of our lives, which by the way, every Sunday night, 6:15 Eastern Standard Time, we go live. We chat about all things makeup and whatever else is going on in the world. And definitely make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. But you guys had told me that Dose of Colors was actually going to be kind of like collabing or what have you with Boxycharm, and we would be receiving their 5-pan palettes. The one I received is the Sassy Sienna's palette, which I actually already own, and this is what it looks like, as well as you guys will see me applying this eye look over here, but this is what it looks like up close. It's a very pretty palette, perfect for fall. I will tell you guys, what you don't see me do in that video is using the other shades that I have. I did set my entire eye with my C-Color Cosmetics. This is a soft natural palette. I think it's like all of $6. I used this shade in here, inner corner and brow bone highlight here, and then right on my lid I used this shade right here. But everything else, I used the other, I think it was like 2 or 3 colors out of the Sassy Sienna palette. I have been going back through my collection. I actually, like I said, own all of these 5-pan palettes minus the one that has the blue pop of color in there. That's the only one I don't have. But I really, really like these eyeshadow formulas by Dose of Colors. They're really soft. They're easy to work with. They blend really, really well. And this palette retails for $32. Now this box I know is going up to $25. I believe for October it may have been $21. I think the $25 starts in November. But either way, whether it was $21 or $25, this alone, like I said, is $32. So I told you guys I have the collection of them and I really do like them. I will say, as far as the brush goes, I did try and apply some of the shades with the brush. It's not my favorite, but you guys know I'm a Gemini and I'm very stuck in my ways with what I use. But I do like this side of the brush, the little like pencil pointy side. That works really well underneath the eye to like apply the shadow, and then you can like buff it out really nicely. And again, if you were just doing like say one shade out of here, you could apply with this brush. I think it would be fine. But again, girl, stuck in her own ways. But really perfect colors for the fall, and I think that no matter which 5-pan palette you receive from Dose of Colors, I truly believe you're really gonna like these palettes because the formula is amazing. Okay, like I said, it retails for $32. Moving on, the next product that we used and received is the Kohl Eyeliner Velvety Touch Smooth Hollywood and Vine eyeliner pencil. Now I'll be real with you guys, it retails for $7. It literally looks like a pencil that you would like do your homework with or something. So I did not have high hopes for this pencil. I can tell you guys, I did the whole look and everything hours ago. I've gone out, I've taken my daughter's friend home, I picked up my daughter's boyfriend, I ran to the pickup or to the grocery store to do my Kroger list pickup. Blah, 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 blah. None of that really matters, but I'm just saying I've had this on a long time and it works really well. I will tell you guys what I did is it comes, when it comes in your box, it is very, very pointy. Like poke your eyeball out pointy. So what I did is I just took my wash rag and then I just kind of dulled it down, cleaned it off, and then applied, and it worked really well. It went on very smoothly. You will see in the picture over here that I kind of buffed it along my lash line and then smudged it out. really pretty. I haven't had like any bleeding, no inner corner bleeding or anything. So I was actually, for $7, pleasantly surprised, because like I said, I did not have high hopes for this, but I like it. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Now, last month we received, I believe it was by Mellow, the eyebrow doohickey that I absolutely love. I'll tell you guys, I love that. So I think that this by itself, for me personally, is not the best. Even though you see me applying it, it applies well. There's no issues. It tints the brows, but I don't have like the best of brows. You guys know I have thyroid issues, so like this whole section I don't really have too much of, and I really have to like pencil them in. But I will say, if you have like nice, voluminous, luxurious, would that be right? Anyways, if you have good brows, you're gonna love this, and you could use it and get away with it by itself. I don't think that it looks bad by any means, and like I said, I've had this on for hours. It's still there. It's a good product, but I think it's more or less what you're looking for, but actually happy with it. That really was so contradictive. I'm a hot mess right now. Like I said, the hubs is home, but it does retail for $16. My shade that I did get is dark brown, and that's all I used on my brows today, and I think it works great. So no complaints. Okay, so the next item we received is by Hank & Henry, and I'm loving seeing the Hank & Henry stuff in here. Last month we did receive a Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner, which I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. You guys, that has been one of my go-to liners. Like, it applies so easy, so precisely. So I was really excited when I saw this in our box this month. This is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Again, you're gonna see me apply it. Now, what I will tell you guys, if you are looking for a like crazy voluminous mascara and your lashes are gonna be like out of this world, I don't feel like you're gonna love this if that's what you're expecting and you have wimpy lashes like me. You guys know I always prime my lashes. I've literally done it since the 90s, back when Estee Lauder came out with their mascara primers. That's just what I have to do because I have very fine lashes. However, if you have, again, like good brows and good lashes, you're gonna love this. For me, you're gonna see me applying it. And I think if you're going for more of a natural look, you're gonna love this. Like a quick get out the door type of look, this will be your best friend. And honestly, what I do like is I can tell you there's no like flaking throughout the day. It doesn't irritate my skin or my lashes or anything, my eyes, whatever you want to say. I do like the fact that it has this really tiny, precise wand. This is typically what you see like for your brows or something. But I tell you what, you can get in there, you can like really like fan out your lashes, and you can get like those inner corner lashes that are always so tricky to get. You can get those with this little brush. It's so nice and precise, and it's great for like the bottom lashes as well. And so on this eye, I started off with the tiny wand, and then I bumped up to the other side of it, the larger wand. And on this side I did complete opposite. And I will tell you guys, I really liked applying the mascara with a small wand first, then going in with the larger wand, because I definitely felt like when I did that, I really was able to fan these out, so when I came in with the larger wand, I could get everything. So I would definitely recommend starting off with the smaller wand, then bumping up to the other side, and then you can get more. But I will say, if you don't need a dramatic lash, which most of us I don't think do, I'm just weird and extra, but I think for a nice natural lash, you're really gonna love this, and it does retail for $19. Okay. So the last item that I got that I was so excited because I was actually playing with this at Ulta. Like, I had doused my whole body down in this. This is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. So you're gonna see in this picture over here, once it calms down, you have, like, it just looks like normal spray. And then you have to shake it up to get this really pretty, like, you know, I don't know if the camera's gonna, but do you guys see the swirls? It's just so pretty. It retails for $29, and this is so pretty. I will tell you, if you are sensitive to fragrance, this may bother you. It did not irritate my skin at all. I was really excited when I got this box yesterday. I opened it up and found this. I like immediately, oh, I'm gonna smack my face. I immediately like doused myself down in, and I'm telling you, like, even just putting it on your hand, it gives you like this nice soft radiance. Like there may be a little bit of glitter, like shimmer in there, but it's not intense. The biggest thing I can tell you is the whole fragrance thing. It's like a mature floral scent to it, but it does not linger, at least not on me that I noticed. And I doused my face down in it. Like I said, I even did like my neck, my décolleté, everything, and it was not a scent that I noticed that lingered or anything. So really happy with this. So that is everything that we got in, or I got for the Variation 18 in my October 2019 Boxycharm. I can tell you grand total was $103 of everything that I got into, or got in this box. And I actually, even though I already had this palette, again, like I told you guys last month, there was a palette that I had received that I had, but I was excited that I got it because it reminds me to get back into my stash, play around with what I have. Fortunately for you guys, this will probably end up in a giveaway, but had I not already had that in my collection, I can tell you I would be very, very happy with receiving this product, as well as everything. I think for me, even this brow gel, all I have to do is like fill my brows in with a pencil and I'll go back over with this and it'll be perfect. But for the sake of the video, I just want to do it by itself. But I can't complain over anything that I received in this month's box. So let me talk real quick about the new changes that is happening with Boxycharm. As you guys know, right now Boxycharm has this particular subscription, and then you have the Boxy Luxe, which is about like every other month, I would say. It's $49.99. You get, I think it's like 8 products, and y'all, those are amazing because I get like over $300 worth of products in the Boxy Luxe. However, they have started a new box, which is called the bigger Boxycharm Premium. Now that's going to be $35. I believe it's going to be monthly, and it's $175 value. So a minimum of $175 worth of product in there. It says that they're limited quantities and it starts in November, so definitely be on the lookout. I do believe you're gonna have to already be a member to be able to receive those things. And it also, I'm reading right off the postcard, it says introducing Boxycharm 2.0. It's a better customization, more choice, and it says that now we will receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 guarantee, and it's going to be $25 a month starting November 1st. So I was pretty excited about that. And when you're reading on, you have the customization, a choice. It looks like you get a choice every single month. You can now do add-ons, which I love that because that is something that Ipsy does. So I'm really excited to see that Boxycharm is doing that. The add-ons are going to be anywhere from $3 to $18 each. And then it says it has a Boxy pop-up. Now shop Boxy pop-up every quarter. Enjoy makeup, skincare, lifestyle products up to 80% off. Your next Boxy pop-up is in November. Woo! That's awesome. So overall, my final thoughts on this October 2019 Boxycharm, it's amazing. Like, I don't know what is going on, but I've been by far so excited about Boxycharm. So anyways, I did receive this complimentary. I am not sponsored. This video is not sponsored at all. I do have an affiliate link that I'll have linked and listed down below for you guys if you guys are interested in signing up for your own Boxycharm. And the nice thing about it is you can cancel Boxycharm at any time. You're not like locked into a contract or anything. So anyways guys, vote down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving me a big thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever it may be. I just appreciate the fact you guys are here and watching this video. Anyways guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, on Twitter. Check my description box down below as well for my second channel, which we are like killing it over there. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for hopping over there, checking out my vlogs, talking with me, everything. Both of my daughters also have a channel, so I'll have them linked down below. And until tomorrow, friends, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.